So now I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm digging into the red shade that is on there, and I'm applying that all over my lid. I'm grabbing my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm going to be using that to cut the crease. Just taking translucent powder just to set that. So now I'm taking my Aurora Lights palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm digging it into that bright hot pink shade in the color Fluorescent, and I'm applying that where I had cut the crease just to add a little shimmer. Having the shade Prismatic, which is holographic. It's like purple with blue undertones in it, and I'm just applying that in the center of my lid just to give it a little extraness, a little take a look at my lids bitch type of thing, you know. My Milani Eye Tech eyeliner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do it because I feel like everybody knows how to do a winged eyeliner. And I'm also gonna be taking my NYX glitter goals in the color Chamomile, and I'm just gonna be going around the crease just because, you know, a little shimmer, a little holographic just wasn't doing it for me. You know, I gotta take that extra step like always. So I'm applying the glitter under my wing as well. Now I'm taking my Jordana Easy Liner in the color Sedona Red, and I'm just applying that on my waterline for the pink to stand out even more. So yeah, you just gotta apply your lashes, and that is it for this eyeshadow look right here. Now you can go ahead and do the rest of your crusty face, you know, finish everything off because this look is officially completed. And if you guys, oh, I forgot to mention, yes, I did apply glitter under my eyebrows, but that is totally optional. You guys do not have to do that, which is why I didn't show it, because I didn't know if people were even gonna like it. So I just did it and didn't show it because I was like, I don't even know if people are gonna motherfucking like it. I don't even know if people are already doing this already. But I just wanted to take that extra step of extraness, like always, you know. And if you guys like this video, then remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help a homegirl out. And like always motherfucking say, remember to do something different, try something new, and get the fuck out of your comfort zone, honey. Alright, hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.